I mean, I could compose music. I've never had an infatuation for any particular music. I think you could appreciate a concept or a field without.
I don't think you're laughing because it's funny. I think you're laughing at the corny. It's corny. It's just
No, I'm
so
laughing.
corny.
I'm laughing at how much money I have.
Right. So a contrast and a polarity. Separated. Using the whole half from the diatonic scales, it did was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity. You know, the merging of the incompatible, taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and find a single common denominator they share. Or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why when you double 440 hertz, you get an octave? So you hear the same note at a much higher frequency, but it's the same note. So it's the A, but a higher frequency. Now we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now why are we hearing octaves? Octaves is quite a phenomenon. It turns